When I go home, Itok Grill.
Yeah, where are you going? Manila Grill. Itok Manila Grill.
Itok Grill.
Itok Manila Grill.
Itok Grill.
Itok Manila Grill.
Oo, Itok Grill. Only Itok Grill. 127 Philippine Independence. Eh, puta, why is it closed?
It's close, man.
June 15.
It's close, close. No Manila. Only
4 p.m. Sunday.
10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Sa Barrio
June 15,
Vista.
Sunday.
Saan ba yun? Hindi, 13 pa lang ngayon eh.
Filipino din.
What time you open?
10 to 4 p.m.
What time already?
And entry fee $2.
It's already 10:16.
Let's go.
Ate, bukas kayo? Anong oras po? 11?
Ma-quarter, papaputuin ko na kayo.
Ah, sige po. Hindi, wala open. Hintay lang kami dito.